Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Busa. Just giving you an update on some of the things that have been happening on the crypto world, particularly over the weekend. Today it's the 7th of August, and we had a good weekend when we look at what has been taking place over the weekend. Particularly, one coin that I'm really interested in that I want to speak about today is Antshares, or now known as Neo. I did a video previously about a month ago. On this, I think I published it on the 7th of July 2017. That speaks about Antshares about to hit the sky. So we're starting to see the movement. Antshares is really taking off very nicely. But before I speak about Antshares, let me just speak about the entire market cap. We're sitting at about $117 billion market cap, which is very good. I mean, we dropped to about 78 billion dollars in the entire market cap, which was not good, and a lot of people were panicking because of uncertainty of what's going to happen on the 1st of August, the hard fork. Is Bitcoin going to crash after the hard fork on the 1st of August? But man, Bitcoin is up and strong. Still 47.3% dominance of the entire market cap. Went up to giving us a new all-time high, 3,366. That's what we are sitting at. That's in dollars. So we broke the 3,000 mark and went above 3,200. So in the last 7 days, we have seen a 20% increase in Bitcoin. Ethereum has been moving also quite nicely. We have seen 36% increase in the last 7 days. We're sitting at about $270 right now, which was from about a week ago. It was about $200. So good jump and good move for Ethereum. I'm still a big believer in Ethereum, and I've got plenty of Ethereum that I'm holding long term. Of course, I'm in profit. I bought at $54, so I'm waiting for that time that Ethereum will go back to 390, almost $400. I'm waiting for that time that we're gonna hit $400 and go above it. I believe that Ethereum could be about $400-500 by the end of this year, and that's me being modest, so but it can go as much as we want it to go. Right, Ripple is still playing around 16-17 cents. Ripple has came down from about a high of about 33 cents, if I'm not mistaken. At some point, I think it was about 33 cents. So about half of the price. It lost half of the price, half of the value. But again, I've got some couple of Ripples holding long term. So I know that Ripple also is a good coin. Ethereum Classic this week is sitting at number 7. Ethereum Classic sitting at number 7, $1.4 billion in market cap. And it's sitting at about $15. So it's also been moving at about $14, $15. We've only seen about 11% increase in the last 7 days. So which is not bad. Bitcoin Cash, let me speak about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash went as high as $600, if I'm not mistaken. Let's quickly have a look at the charts here. Actually as high as 700. Bitcoin Cash went as high as 700 on the 2nd, a day after it was launched, and I knew that something like this was going to happen because a lot of people were excited that they got free coins, and they started selling off those coins, and the price plumbed. I just knew that the price was just going to come crashing down. So we yet to see the actual value of Bitcash. Of Bitcoin Cash, so that so now that it has dropped, came back a little bit up again to about $450, and then ever since we've been going down. and now it looks like we're just moving sideways. So I think we are now getting the clear idea of exactly what is the price of Bitcoin Cash. If you don't know about Bitcoin Cash, it's the split that happened on the 1st of August. We had a new coin called Bitcoin Cash. So when Bitcoin split, the new coin that came out was Bitcoin Cash. And I think right now we're looking at where it's supposed to be. Maybe, I don't know. I'm still not comfortable buying at this rate, because I don't know if more people are gonna sell and it's going to take again another beating. But surely we'll have a look at it in the future. All right, now let me talk about NEO. The reason that I made this video particularly is NEO. We're looking at about 159% in the last 7 days. Now that's what I like. 159% in the last 7 days. I bought this coin at $8. My first buy was at $8, and then when it went down to about $7, I bought again, and it went down as low as $6, which at that time I was already on a negative, and I didn't want to buy again. But if you watch my previous video, I did say that I'm holding this coin for long term. Let's see. Actually, on I wanna check, because I bought this in July. At about $8. It went down to about $5 in July, and then on July the 30th, you know, when coins really were taking a beating, when there was a bloodbath that week of July, the second week of July, a lot of coins were really going down. So this went to as low as $5, but I had already bought at $8, and I bought again at $7. So I didn't buy, but it was a good opportunity for people to buy at that low price, which was at about $5. And NEO has taken off. We're sitting at about $18. I mean, it went as high as $18, so giving us an all-time high of about $18. So I'm still expecting very good results on this coin. I have strong faith in this coin. The Chinese market is huge. The population of China is huge, and this coin being the first official Chinese cryptocurrency, the first official Chinese platform that they have, they're saying that this coin is competing with the likes of Ethereum, and they're actually calling it the Ethereum of China. So it's very interesting on this. So thought I should just do a quick video, guys, to say that I'm happy with the progress of cryptocurrency. I'm particularly happy with the progress of NEO Antshares. I did say in the previous video that it's a good buy. I still stand with that it's a good buy, and obviously I'm holding long term, 2 years at least, 1 year, 2 years at least. So we'll see where we're sitting in the next year or two with this coin. Anyway, guys, this is Busa. We are having a nice time in the crypto world, crypto space. $118 billion market cap, 47.3% of Bitcoin dominance, and Ethereum has kicked up a little bit. NEO has really given us a good kick. Bitcoin, I'm not even gonna talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king. So until the next update, guys, this is Busa checking out. Peace out.